Got a new tool I'm going to try out today. It's called the Sundials. I bought this kit a couple of months ago. Haven't had the chance to use it yet. The Sundial kit is for taking down sunroofs. Now, old school, I used to run ratchet straps across the roof, like in a crisscross style, and then lower down on the ratchet straps. But the problem with ratchet straps is they kind of move, so the sunroof's doing this when you're in there tinkering with the car or whatnot. So these hold it in place, so check it out. Okay, the first step is to take down all the sunroof bolts. You see I got the sundials hanging over here already on that side. So essentially just gonna take these nuts down and take these nuts down and gonna replace those with sundials. So I got all these plugged in here, got one on each corner. Now I'm going after these bolts in the front, and then it should all drop down. So now this is down, we can screw these down, and it should just drop the sunroof down. Okay, this thing's done. Sunroof's down. This has got cracked paint, which is why I got to drop both these sunroofs for the body shop. So it just sits right there, nice and secure. So these are the first time I've ever used these sundials. So far the front sunroofs worked out real good. Gonna try the back one now. And I kind of like these. Well, I like these a lot better than just the ratchet straps. Usually you run ratchet straps like crisscross and drop the sunroof down, but like I said, then it shakes around. You know, this vehicle, I had to move to the body shop, so I had to drive the vehicle. So it's just nice having the sunroof kind of safe and secure, and I don't have to bring it out of the car. So these things are super duper easy. So try the back one now, see how we go. Now, just a real quick note, these sundials come in different sizes. I bought like an introductory set, which has got short ones and long ones. So let me flip the camera around. So I use the short ones for the front roof, and I'm gonna use the longer ones for the back. No really rhyme or reason. There's a little more room down in the back from the headliner. I really could have probably just bought 2 sets of these, but it's kind of nice to have another option. I hope these aren't too long, but I don't think it'll be an issue. We'll make it work. Another thing, so this spins off because some of these bolts on the sunroof were like that. So this isn't gonna work. And then some of them were like that where it goes onto a thread. So this is essentially for if you're gonna screw it into the thread, or if you know, the male side, or if you're using a female side. So this will work for both. You can just spin that off, and then now you can insert that in the female threads. Just a side note, bolts that come in cars and nuts are not transitional. A male bolt is a male bolt, and a female nut is a female nut. And that's just how it is in the automotive world. Get used to it. Okay, back glass didn't work. Let me show you. So I had to go old school at first with the ratchet straps, but then I went ahead and put the sundials in. Essentially, these were too big for the hole. So I let the sunroof down, and then I put those up there. Another problem with this back glass, I'm working on the Kia Telluride. When I drop the frame down, it does not remove this glass. So I'm not quite sure. Might have to get a glass guy. Looks like it might be sealed in there. But here's a workaround for the sundials if that hole's too small. So all in all, I'm happy with my sundial purchase. Even though it didn't get me what I needed on that second sunroof, it didn't really matter because the glass doesn't come out anyway in this thing. So but I think this is a viable option for anybody that's taking out sunroofs, and I'm happy with my purchase. So if I can link in the description where I got them, I will. Have a good day.